everyone, my name is Arjun and today I am going to tell you about ICARUS. So most of you will be wondering what is ICARUS. So I am Arjun and I tell you new exotic things. So let's go and learn about this. ICARUS is international cooperation for animal research using space. It is an international effort to track the migratory patterns of small flying animals. The project began in 2002 and was launched in 2015, and the tracker was installed in 2018 on the ISS International Space Station and was switched on in 2019. The director for this project is Martin Welke. So, you are thinking, how does ICARUS work? What is its technology so it's able to track animals? So, I'm going to tell you this. Since the late 1980s, ARGOS system tracked larger animals with which ICARUS hopes to compete. One major hurdle of tracking the movements of birds and especially insects is creating a transmitter small enough to place on an individual animal. The ICARUS project currently implements 5G radio transmitters. These transmitters are solar powered and only activate when the satellite passes over them. They have plans to make transmitter weighing less than 1 g, 1 gram, and can attach to a honeybee. Can you imagine that? A tracker, imagine to attach to a honeybee. That's amazing. The ICARUS tracker does not have to create a strong radio signal as the ISS is in a low-lying orbit. About 5,000 to 10,000 tags were expected to be used in 2015, but after delays in the tracking to be used in 2015, but after delays, the tracking software was tested in summer of 2020. So, here is the image. As you can see here is a bird attached with the ICARUS tag. So this is a transmitter through which the ICARUS tracker on the ISS can track animals. So most of you will be wondering why spending so much thing on a tracker to track animals. So I'm going to tell you the purpose of the ICARUS initiative. Let's go. The primary purpose of the ICARUS initiative is to greatly expand data on animal migrations for conservation, studying the movement of birds and insects, understanding how natural hazards and human interaction affect their population. Another application for the data to be collected is to investigate a possible link between animal and earthquakes. So there is a theory that animals can predict earthquakes and can move according to them. So the ICARUS initiative hopes to see this, and till now their research has been anecdotal, but the future is waiting, so it can be proved. It may also provide insight into animal-borne diseases like SARS, bird flu, and others. ICARUS initiative is a great initiative by the international space community. It can help us to conserve our animals, which we live with harmony in our world. Hope you liked this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and like and share the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.